Okay, so I'm gonna do the lime now because I'm gonna boil this. I'm gonna boil it. I'm gonna boil this stuff, you guys. Well, it seems like COVID isn't going away at all. Like, it's crazy, but hey, yeah. I did the lime, so I'm gonna do the pineapple because I need the pineapple skin, and I will need the actual pineapple, right? So for now, we're gonna need the skin of the pineapple. I actually love that pineapple because, like, I mean, it's organic, better than this pineapple just rusty what we have. So we need the pineapple skin. I'm gonna boil it also with the lime, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything goes. I don't have two pineapple, but like, I might just use one pineapple skin instead of two pineapple skin. And then when I'm done, the actual pineapple, I will blend. Hey guys, I came to check up on our pot is boiling. In here, with this water, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I'm making a drink. So this is called hibisco, I think. Okay, so I'm putting the hibisco. I'm gonna get Okay guys, so I'm making a drink. So this is called hibisco, I think. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. I'm making a ginger. It's like a drink I'm making. So I have to blend my ginger. I will show you guys the finished result when it's done. Okay guys, so the drink I made is done. So this is it. I'm going to try it, and my niece is going to try it too. Here, cheers. I hope you like it. I love it. It's actually good. What do you think? Is it good? Okay, come try it too. Come here. I love it, guys. This is like so good.
It tastes a lot like ginger and sour in the beginning.
Yeah, this is good for your immune system, you guys. So this is gonna be my household. Me and the kids gonna be drinking it.
Bussin'.
Whether they like it or not, they're gonna have to drink it.
It's
okay?
bussin', y'all.
And anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.